Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the Apple ID password and two-factor access. Without them, you cannot remove the account. Once confirmed, make a quick backup to iCloud or to your computer so nothing is lost. Next, turn off syncing for photos, contacts, and files, or note where data is stored. This prevents accidental deletion. Now open Settings and tap the Apple ID banner at the top to begin the sign-out process. This is where removal actually starts. You will now perform the core removal steps. Tap your name in Settings and choose Sign Out. When prompted, enter your Apple ID password to turn off Find My. This is required to remove the account from the device. Make deliberate choices when asked whether to keep copies of contacts, calendars, and Safari data locally. Keeping them preserves access, removing them frees space. After confirming, wait for the device to finish syncing and sign you out. This may take a minute or two. Finish by restarting the device to clear cached settings and ensure the Apple ID menu no longer appears. If the Apple ID still shows or activation lock prevents setup, make sure Find My was fully disabled. If not, sign back and then disable it, or use your Apple ID account page on a computer to remove the device. If you lose data, restore from the backup you made earlier and reconfigure accounts. If problems persist, contact Apple support with proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.